How to fix apps not installing on Samsung Smart TV. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So there's a few different things that we can go ahead and do. Maybe you're having issues with your TV, like your apps aren't installing or anything like that. So you're gonna have to firstly go ahead and hard reset. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my Samsung remote right here, and then all I'm gonna do is get the power button and hold it down for about 15 seconds until I see the Samsung logo appear on my screen. So I'm just gonna wait for that and just ensure that when you're holding it down, you hold it down long enough, and then basically your Samsung TV is then just gonna go ahead and restart. Now, once you go ahead and do that, and after a minute when your TV turns back on, what you can then do is go over to your settings, maybe because you've run out of storage or anything like that. So what you wanna go ahead and do is once you're in your settings area, you're gonna see a lot of different things. But what I wanna do is I wanna go over to, if I go to general and privacy, I wanna just check my storage. And if my storage is above 90%, I wanna go ahead and delete a few files.